that realtor wants to get fancy and they talk to an unknowledgeable tax preparer and they go create an S corp. So then meanwhile, they're reporting all their income on the S corp. But the personal transcripts and the personal social security number is what was 1099. So then the type of issue I would see like literally every day was a realtor coming in, and other industries too, where they say, well, I reported all the income on my business, but the IRS added that income onto my personal return as well. And I have an IRS notice here, and it's obviously going to give me a heart attack. It says I owe $50,000, and it's because of that mismatch from the transcripts.
Interesting. In So are you recommending, just so I understand it, because I've never heard this before either, with the IRS transcripts, individual people, like you're recommending that I do it, or do you recommend, or does your like CPA or tax person do that for you?
So I mean, it's more rare for a preparer to do it. So I mean, obviously it's great if they do it for you, but I don't think it's something you can rely on. I think
Okay.
it's better if you do it yourself. And then you could always, I think the easiest way that's guaranteed is like you pull them yourself. You can give them to your tax preparer. Um, and then I always, I'm personally like I love double checking. So to me, it's like a lot of tax preparers still don't know what to do with it. The thing is, you have to know the ins and outs just a little bit. So the biggest thing is that transcripts don't fully populate until May or June of
Okay.
the year. And then even then, there's still going to be missing things like a K-1 that could be issued to you later in the year, right? But even for like your basic information, it's not going to populate until later because the IRS systems are slow and there's no other logical reason for it. They're just not up to date. Um, and so that's one thing to know, because if you check your transcripts in March, then you'll be like, oh, we're in the clear. There's nothing on here. Meanwhile, everything's going to pop up later.